guys, today I'm going to show you my cool new desk from Boost Industries. I'm going to tell you guys why I like this desk. First, it's height adjustable. And the chair too. Second, you could use this as an art table by turning this knob. Like that. Third, it has a hook to keep my backpack. Like that. Last, it has a drawer to keep all my pencils, paper, crayons, books, and glue sticks. I really like my desk. I hope you enjoyed my review. Thanks for watching. I hope you like and subscribe. Bye.